Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna do a complete interior lighting conversion on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. I'm gonna change all of the conventional bulbs to LEDs. So essentially we're gonna go from this right here to this in only like 10-15 minutes of work. Besides that, I'm also going to show you one particular problem that I encountered with LEDs, and I'm also going to show you how I solved it. Also, check out our channel. We got a bunch of Alfa Romeo content, and support our channel by subscribing so we can grow even more and create more videos like this for you. To do this job, you're gonna need a plastic trim removal tool, flathead screwdriver, one small screwdriver, 6 W5W replacement LED bulbs, 2 C10W replacement LED bulbs 37mm in length, one C10W replacement LED bulb 42mm long, and one W1.2W replacement LED bulb. I'm gonna start with the boot light. One thing that I have to warn you about is that these conventional bulbs get really hot, so you either want to use gloves or you want to unplug them and let them cool down. I'm gonna speed up the video. If you want to check out the detailed video on bulb replacement, I'm gonna post it in the description below. Keep in mind that some of the LED bulbs are sensitive to polarity, so if they are not working, just turn them over and plug them back in. This one is gonna be the trickiest to change. To get it out, I'm gonna use my small screwdriver to push it out. I'm gonna test the polarity of LED bulb, but it is a bit bigger than that conventional one. So essentially what you need to do is push them clips on the back so you can slide the bulb in. And now, as you can see, it works perfectly. Alright, before we check out the final result, this is the Giulietta with the original lighting and those conventional bulbs. And every single car that I owned had kind of weak interior lighting, and LEDs really do improve on this. And this is the Giulietta with LED bulbs. I'm not really sure if camera can do justice here, but I gotta admit that LEDs are at least like 50% brighter. And the best thing about this little job is that it doesn't really take long, and you're gonna spend maybe like 20 euros or something like that on LEDs. This is the lighting in the back with the original bulb, and here it is now. You can see that this one LED made a significant difference in the back. One thing that I didn't mention is that C10W bulbs in the back are gonna be 42mm long, and in the front they're gonna be 37, so make sure that you pay attention to that when you buy the bulbs. This is original boot lighting, and it's pretty evident that it's very hard to see anything And here's the boot light with LED. Again, the improvement is significant, so this was definitely worth doing. Alright, now it's time to check out that one issue that I was talking about in the beginning. And if we check out the dome light, you can see that these two LEDs stay on, but only maybe like at 2-3%. Now this is not gonna drain your battery, and they are gonna go out after like 30-45 minutes. However, if this bothers you, I'm gonna show you how you can solve this issue. Now this doesn't only happen when the car is on. Now I'll turn the car off and I'm gonna lock it, and you can see that the bulbs are still on. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna install one of these resistors. They are 1000 ohm half watt. For this demonstration, I'm not gonna solder in the resistor. I'm just gonna put it in like this, just to show you that it's gonna solve the problem. And I'm actually gonna do a separate video on how to do this properly. Alright, here's how it looks like. As I said before, I'm gonna solder it in later on. This is just to show you how to deal with this particular issue. Okay, I've put everything back together, and now you can see that the lights are off completely. So that little trick with resistor worked perfectly. Now let's see what's going to happen when I turn off the car and lock it. And you can see that they go out completely. So there you go, that's how you can do a complete interior lighting conversion to LED on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. And as you can see from the video, it's not very hard to do at all, and it is only going to cost you maybe like 20 euros. So in my opinion, this is a little mod definitely worth doing. As I said before, it doesn't cost a lot, and it's gonna improve your interior lighting significantly. You even have a choice of colors. I chose the white one, but there are a bunch of different ones you can choose from. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button. Also support our channel by subscribing, so we can grow even more and create more content like this for you.